Hello there and welcome to another 5 to Zen. This is another one of our little series of mini clips of yoga, meditation, things you can try at home. And this one is for people who spend a lot of time at their desks. Okay, so this is a little session just working on the hands, working on the wrists. It's just something you can literally do. If you sat at the computer typing away, you can literally have a 5-minute break and just work through this sequence. If you use your phone a lot, a mouse, all those kind of things, this will really help just ease them out. So you can be sat at your desk, it doesn't matter where you are. Obviously I haven't got a desk here, so I'm just going to do it from here. And we're just going to start by warming the hands. So just start by rubbing them together really quite vigorously. You're really trying to generate some heat and warmth here between the hands. So start with the palms of the hands, but then also start rubbing the backs of the hands as well. Kind of a bit like you're doing your hand washing. Okay, really vigorously in between the fingers. Really getting all fingers, don't neglect your thumbs, really warm them up as well. It's got lots of joints in the hands, all the knuckles as well. Make sure you give those a nice little bit of warmth. So really generating heat in the hands. Good job. And then we're going to do some flushing fingers. Okay, so if you screw your hands up, then flick your fingers out. And we're just going to repeat that. If you do it quite quickly, again, it's a really nice kind of warming movement on your hands. And of course, if you're working at home, there's nobody else to see you doing this. If you're in an office, get everybody else to do it as well. Why not? Nice. Give them a little bit of a shake out. Make soft fists. And then do figure of 8. Easing into the wrists. Little figure of 8 shapes working into the wrists. Checking them out. See how they're feeling. Might have some little areas that feel a little bit tight or tense. Just easing your way in. Nice, and then change direction. She says, go have a change direction. I don't know. Easing them in, checking them out. If you've got any old injuries here in the hands or the wrist, broken fingers or broken wrist, you may well notice you get a few aches and pains here. Good job. Then release the hands. Bring them flat on your desk in front of you and then flip-flop your hands. So flip your thumbs over and then back onto the desk. So just flipping them so they're palm down on the desk, palm up on your desk, just in front of you. Just rotating out through the wrists, flip-flopping the hands. Good job. Finishing with them flat on the desk. We're going to bring them together in that namaste pose you often see in yoga classes. So what we're going to try and do is just rotate, bring the fingers forwards, and then just see if they'll point down towards the ground. They might not go all the way, they might just go part of the way. And then just rotate them slowly back up. I'm just going to repeat that. Now, as you're doing this, check that your shoulders aren't suddenly up around your ears. So relax the shoulders. Check that you're not gritting your teeth, you're not forcing the movement. It's a really nice, just gentle easing through. So check those shoulders are nice and relaxed, check your jaw is nice and relaxed. You can have a little smile to yourself while you're doing this. Fingers up and then fingers down. Perfect. Nice. Finish with the fingertips pointing up and then just extend one hand in front of you. I'm going to take hold of the little finger, okay? Gently just extend it away from you, really nice and gently lengthening through the finger. Take a breath in. And as you breathe out, just gently take it back. Go steady, nice and gently. Nice ring finger. Inhale, stretch it away from you. Exhale, ease it down. Middle finger, inhale, stretch it away from you. Exhale, ease it down. Index finger, inhale, lengthen it away from you. Exhale, ease it down nice and gently. Then take the thumb, inhale, stretch it away. This time though, take it back towards your upper arm, towards your wrist. And release. Nice. Give that hand a little bit of a shake and then extend the other one. Starting with your little finger. So clasp your little finger. Inhale, lengthen it away. Exhale, gently bringing it down. Ring finger, inhale, lengthen it away. Exhale, bring it down. Middle finger, inhale, lengthen through that finger, easing out through the joints, and then exhale gently. First finger, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, just opening out through the hand. Then onto the thumb, inhale, lengthen. And then this time draw it in towards the outside edge of your arm. And release. Good job. So that's our hands and our wrists nicely stretched out. We're just going to pay a little bit of attention to the shoulders and the chest. So we're going to take a seated forward fold here. So you're sat on your chair. I know I'm kneeling here. And all you're going to do is tuck your chin in and then start to roll down. Let your head drop. Let the shoulders roll down. Slide your hands down your legs. Let your arms dangle in front of you. Fold down into your lap. Let your head hang down nice and heavy. Let your shoulders relax. Wiggle those shoulders. A little bit of movement here. Sway the head, maybe yes or no the head. Nice one. We're going to come back up on an inhale. So breathe in. Slowly unroll all the way back up into your seated position. We're going to take the arms behind us. So if you've got a chair back, you might need to move forwards a little bit. I'm just going to turn around sideways so you can see. Just take the arms right the way behind you. Clasp your thumbs and then roll those shoulders and point those fingertips down behind you, down towards the ground. And you're really opening out through the chest here. This area here, the collarbones. Imagine your collarbones are kind of getting farther apart, further away from each other as you open out through the chest. All too often when we're sat at a desk, we tend to round down and hunch over our work, our computers, our phones. Nice. Take a breath in, bend the elbows, release the thumbs. Going to get out the chair now. Okay, so get out your chair and get your fingers on the edge of your desk. Okay, I haven't got a desk here, so I'm just going to use this and imagine this is the edge of the desk. So just put your fingertips right on the edge and then begin to walk your feet away and just fold. So you're making like a right angle shape with your body. Fingertips on the desk. Soften those knees. Oh, stretch out. Maybe sway the hips a little bit. Side to side. Just really easing out. This really opens up through the chest, opens up through the armpits, but also helps lengthen out through the back of the body as well. Good job. Now to get out of this pose, walk your feet back in first of all, come upright and then release your hands. And so to finish, hand on the back of your chair for stability. Just going to work into these hips. So just doing some little hip circles. You can touch down between each one, or you can keep the foot off the floor and reverse. Just opening out, good one. And then swap sides. Keep hold of your chair or hold of your desk, whatever's going to work for you. And then go in the opposite direction. Nice, well done. Release the back of your chair and then just shake. Shake through the hands, the wrists, the arms, the shoulders, the feet, the ankles, the legs. Nice. And now get back to work. So you're ready to go back to your desk. Enjoy. Well done. Good work.